What's up, YouTube family? I am back again with another video, and today I'm bringing you guys a DIY mask for your hair. So I'm using two natural ingredients, apple cider vinegar with the mother, that's very important, and then I'm using this clay powder substance from Aldi Naturals. It is 100% bentonite clay. Here I'm using a plastic spoon and a plastic container. You do not want to use metal when mixing this because it just messes up the properties and it will not be effective. I'm playing around with the mixture to get the right consistency. I did not measure anything. I put a little powder, put a little apple cider, put a little powder until I got the right consistency and the right amount of the clay mask to apply to my hair. So stay tuned. We're gonna go through this and you guys are gonna see some magic. Alright, so boom, let's get started. I'm starting out on dry hair. This is the old flexi rod set that I did a couple weeks ago. Definitely check that out. I'm gonna have it linked in my description box because this came out so amazing. So definitely check out that video. And I'm gonna come through and part my hair. I usually part in 5 sections, but today I'm gonna do 4 just to shorten this process. I did not wash my hair or do anything prior to this. Like I said, you're seeing it coming from these old flexi rods straight into this mask. I'm gonna wet my hair down with my spray bottle, and in this spray bottle I just have warm water with a little bit of conditioner. This is just always my mixture that I use in my spray bottle, so I did not like create this for this mask. This is just what's in my spray bottle. I was so happy to see that my curls were reverting back with just water. I have not had my hair straightened in over like 4 or 5 years, so I had a little bit of fear that I was going to have some heat damage, but as you can see, those curls are popping. And here I am, I'm just coming through with the clay, applying it right on top of my dampened hair. And first impressions, I was like, what the hell is this? It was very hard and dry, and just it made my hair feel, I can't even explain it, but it was just rough, and it like kind of pulled my hair like more straight, and I was like, oh god, like this is not a good sign at all. Okay, so I took a pause to go and like refresh myself a little bit on a couple of videos with using this, because I'm not gonna lie, this little section that I put on has me tripping out, because look at my hair looks crazy. It's really dry and I don't know, it just looks weird, but I'm gonna keep going because a lot of the videos that I've seen, this was all a very similar like first impression, which I seen, like I said, but I just need like a little refresher. So I'm gonna keep going. This is just one like straggly section of hair with this clay mask in. So we're about to keep this going, and I was talking mess about the perm rods and doubting the perm rods, and it came through. So I'm just gonna let these negative thoughts go and watch this clay mask work magic. This is what I was doing wrong. My hair was not wet enough, and after I like looked at some videos and like read up and just refreshed my memory, I seen that I really had to get my hair damn near soaking wet and then applying the clay, and it made a ton of difference. As you can see here, the clay is just sliding on. It's not as rough. I can run my fingers through it, and you can kind of start to see a little bit of the like curls and waves popping through. So tip for this mask, make sure your hair is really wet. I mean, don't dampen it. You low-key like want to get it soaking wet. Get a towel because it definitely gets messy and drips everywhere, but definitely make sure your hair is wet before applying the clay. I also found it really helpful to like make sure that my hair was really detangled before applying the clay, because even though I was able to like run my fingers through my hair with the clay, it still was kind of hard to detangle with it, and I did not want to just like pull and tug on my hair. So making sure my hair was like thoroughly kind of detangled and combed out and soaking wet before applying the clay really made a difference. So I finished applying that mask to all of my hair. So this is what it's looking like now. It's still wet. It's kind of hardening up a little bit, if you can hear it. But it hardens pretty quick. I have a little bit left over, so I'm just gonna go through and like really make sure I got it on my scalp, because you can use this on your scalp as like a detoxifier and all of that. So, and I don't like to waste, only a little bit. I will say I can definitely feel like a tingling sensation on my actual scalp, and I know the apple cider vinegar is to not blame, but that's the causing reason for that. It smells so bad. If you know what apple cider vinegar smells like, then picture your whole hair. Get a whiff of that. That's what my whole entire head smells like. So it doesn't smell very pleasant, but my hair looks pleasant. I'm just surprised at the definition that's already coming through with just the clay. Excuse me. I'm kind of extra surprised too, because my hair has been straightened, so this is the first time I've been seeing like a wave or a curl in over a month. So yeah, I'm gonna let this sit on my hair for about 30 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse it out. Now I have seen other like videos where people didn't do any type of conditioning or anything afterwards. They just rinsed it out, and then I've seen people like add conditioner, and it kind of varied. Some people said it was like drying for the hair, some people said it wasn't drying. So I'm gonna just play by how my hair feels when I rinse it out, and if I feel like if I need to follow through with the conditioner, I might. I'm thinking about just following through anyway. Like I said, just because my hair has been straightened, I'm trying to give it that little extra love. So I think I might follow through with the deep conditioner, but again, I'm gonna just see how this rinses out my hair in 30 minutes, and we will go from there. So stay tuned, and we'll see what happens when we rinse this lovely stuff out. Magic is like about to happen right now. So I'm rinsing my hair out with just lukewarm water. I don't really have to like get into the clay to scrub it out my hair like a conditioner. It really just melts right out. But look at my hair, like as the clay's leaving my hair, look at that shine. Oh my god, my hair was so moisturized. Like I'm talking moisture overload. My hair was so soft. Like I've never felt my hair like this before. I've never seen my hair like this before. It was low-key unreal. I'm able to finger detangle. I'm running my fingers through it. Like it feels like silk. It feels like melted butter. Like my hair feels amazing, y'all. I did not expect this. I really did not expect this. This is the best my hair has ever looked. It's the best my hair has ever felt. Just overall, like this clay mask really just brought my hair to life. I'm hitting y'all with a 360 so you can catch these results at all of the different angles, but I mean, it's self-explanatory. You see how nice my hair looks. My curls are just super defined and super moisturized, and that's one of the plus and positives about this clay mask. I'm definitely going to add this to my rotation and maybe do this once a month, every 2 months maybe. But yeah, I really liked it. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel for more videos. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and see you guys next time.